slight plastic smell, new upgraded material and manufacturing processes. The improved version PVC table pad is odorless, very slight plastic smell, eco-friendly and BPA-free. Compared with ordinary pads, the transparency is slightly lower, but the quality is better, more suitable for families with children or pregnant women. WIPEABLE, waterproof and heat-resistant 1.5 mm thickness heavy-duty, heat resistance up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Use as table runner or placemats top cover mat, to better protect your expensive wooden, glass, granite, marble, teak tables desks, or use as office computer or writing desk clear blotter pad, coffee bar or pub dining room table pad, cooktop, furniture tops liner against scratches, scuffs, oil stains, coffee spillage, heating scalds. Tips to make it flatten. Our table protectors are packaged in rolls to ensure no creases. Here tips to make it flat after you received. 1. Heating dryer blow or expose table protector under sunshine in minutes. 2. Put heavy items pressing on the pad's reverse roll direction in days. 3. Use accessory tape dots to fix table protector in place. 4. If need to trim it to fit, use pencil for trim line marks first, easy trim it with scissors or cutter knife. About air bubbles. Clear type table protector may have air bubbles on white smooth finish or smooth glass tabletop. Please purchase the frosted type table protector, or put tablecloth under table protector, to avoid visible air bubbles. Before put table protector on lacquered or polished new wooden tops, please ensure painted oils dry enough, or put tablecloth under table protector, to keep your new wooden tabletops painted oil breathing. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Every table protector from Leffora includes a worry-free guarantee to ensure your 100% satisfaction. If all above size listings are not suitable to you, we also offer special size customization services. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or needs. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect over MDF. So far, very happy with it. I got a microwave cart made out of MDF, and the top definitely does not look durable, especially for under a microwave with 3 kids in the house. So I ordered this to protect the top from certain demise. So far, it has held up well and is perfect. I am glad I was able to get this on before they started using the microwave.